Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm so happy you are here today.
Hello, friends. I'm Paul. Thank you for joining us. Charlie, today we have a very simple and fun topic.
Yes, Paul. Today, we will talk about the question, what do you like to do? This is an A1 English conversation for beginners. It is simple, but very useful in daily life.
Charlie, can I ask you this question first?
Of course, Paul. I'm ready.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Hmm. I like reading books and walking in the park. It helps me relax and feel fresh. What about you?
That sounds peaceful. I like listening to English conversation and cooking. Cooking makes me happy, but sometimes I burn my food.
Oh no, that happens to me too when I try new recipes.
Yes, learning something new can be funny sometimes.
That's true. And talking about our hobbies helps us feel connected with others.
Exactly. When someone asks, "What do you like to do?" it is not only a question, it is a way to start a friendly conversation.
Let's teach our viewers how to answer this question. The easiest way is to use this pattern. I like plus activity.
Yes, for example, I like watching movies. I like playing cricket. I like studying English.
Very simple and easy to remember. You can also talk about different times. For example, you can say, I like watching movies at night, or I like playing football with my friends.
That's a great tip. Adding small details makes your English more interesting.
Paul, do you think hobbies help people learn English faster?
Yes, I really think so. When you talk about something you love, you feel confident. You also remember words more easily.
That's very true. For example, if you like sports, you will learn sports vocabulary quickly. If you like music, you will learn words about songs and instruments.
Exactly. Learning English becomes fun when you connect it with your life.
Let's give more examples for our viewers. Paul, can you ask me another question?
Sure. Charlie, what do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like visiting my family and drinking tea with them. It makes me feel warm and happy. What about you?
On weekends, I like watching movies and trying new dishes in the kitchen.
That sounds fun. See, friends? These answers are short and easy. You don't need difficult grammar.
Yes. Beginners should not worry about mistakes. Speaking simple English is the first step.
Also, you can ask this question to your friends, classmates, or even new people you meet. It helps you practice conversation.
And when someone answers, you can respond politely. For example, you can say, "That's nice. That sounds interesting. I like that too."
These small responses show kindness and keep the conversation going.
Charlie, do you remember when you first learned English conversation?
Yes, I do. I felt shy and nervous. I was afraid of making mistakes.
I felt the same. Many learners feel scared at first.
But one day, my teacher told me something very important. She said, mistakes are part of learning.
That is a powerful message.
Yes. After that, I started speaking more. Slowly, my confidence grew.
That's inspiring. I also improved my English by talking about simple things, like my hobbies and daily routine.
That is why today's topic is special. Talking about what you like helps you practice English and express your feelings.
And when you talk about your hobbies, people understand you better. They may even share the same interest.
Exactly. It builds friendship and connection.
Let's practice one more example together.
Great idea.
I will ask, and you answer. Ready?
Ready.
What do you like to do after school or work?
I like listening to relaxing English conversation and reading short stories.
Very good. Now I will answer. I like playing games and talking with my friends online.
Excellent. See, friends? These answers are natural and easy.
You can also change the question a little. For example, What do you like to do in your free time? What hobbies do you like? What do you enjoy doing?
All these questions mean almost the same thing.
Yes, and practicing them will improve your conversation skills.
Dear friends, today we learned that talking about hobbies is a simple way to practice English.
Yes, and it also helps you understand yourself better. Your hobbies show your personality.
Remember, you don't need big or difficult sentences. Small and clear sentences are perfect for beginners.
And please don't feel shy. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language.
That's true. Confidence comes with practice and patience.
Try this today. Ask one person, "What do you like to do?" Then answer the same question.
This small step can improve your English and build new friendships.
Learning English is a journey. Move slowly, but never stop.
Believe in yourself. Your voice is important, and your English will grow every day.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning with us.
And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.